Welcome back. Another Authortube video, and this one is really simple but really important. And I'll tell you after the video why I made this video. Now, very simple. How do you design a good cover? Well, I mean, there's elements of design and all that jazz that goes with it, but a cover comes down to one single word. One. And it has three parts. The word, story. That is the cover's purpose, is to tell you what the story is about without you reading the story. It's the story that will get you interested to reading the actual story. And by story that gets you interested, I'm referring to the story of the cover. Now, the cover story, simple. Three parts, really easy. Title tells you what it's about. That's your synopsis of your entire book in like, what? Either one word, 4 words, maybe 2, depending, right? But regardless, a short phrase, your entire book is summarized. That's your title. Image on the cover. That tells you what the story is about, right? If you're writing a story about zombies, you're going to have zombies on the cover. That's simple. Third part, the synopsis. That tells you what the story is about. That's it. That's all the cover is, are those 3 things. Title, image, story, synopsis. That's it. And if you do that for your cover, then you've sold on a reader because you've got them interested in the story on 3 points. Now, very quick, what prompted this video is this. Author messaged me on the side. Didn't know him. Want to talk shop. I said that's fine, but no sales pitches. Well, guess what happens about 10 lines into the conversation? I get told that my cover for Cotton Black Headlights is no good. And he showed me demonstrations of his covers. And out of all of them, they were pretty, but you know what? Not a single one had a title that said what the story is about. Not a single one had an image that said what the story is about. And not a single one had a synopsis that said what the story is about. So let's do an example. Bigfoot Terror Tales. What is this about? Well, they're about Bigfoot Terror Tales. Who does it involve? Bigfoot. What's on the back? All about Bigfoot and stories thereof. Simple, right? 3 parts. Title, image, synopsis. Done. Okay, and what it boils down to, again, reminder, 1 word, story. So the next time you have a designer do your cover or you do it yourself, remember that 1 word, story. Does my cover have the story in those 3 distinct parts? Your call, but those are the 3 parts that you need. And from there, you get people interested. Story. It's all about the story. That's what books are. Books are stories, right? So why wouldn't the cover be story too? All right, I'm done. Thank you for listening. I hope that 1 word helped when it comes for your upcoming cover efforts. In the meantime, check out the other Authortube videos. Please do subscribe. We do have a lot of stuff on the channel. Plus, we have more author stuff coming. Plus, we even have artist stuff coming. So it'd be great for you to tune in. And if you're a big fanboy like me, well, then you'll be treated to lots of superhero and monster stuff as well. See you then.